In this video, we will show you how you can post a job very easily and simply on JobCrypt. To post a job on JobCrypt, you simply need to click Post Job. This will take you to the job posting page, right? And this is where you'll be able to post. Now, to post a job on JobCrypt, you don't have to stake. However, a few subtle things which you must understand. JobCrypt will create your employer dashboard on chain. Yeah. So you have to actually trigger a transaction for JobCrypt to create your dashboard on chain, right? We used to throw this up and say, do you want to create it? But some people may be interested in just walking around our site. So we've made it such that you have to explicitly create it on chain. If you don't create your employer dashboard on chain, you won't be able to post a job on JobCrypt and you won't be able to view your job performance statistics on JobCrypt, right? So in order to do that, the first thing you have to do is you simply click to create your employer dashboard. So this is what this is doing, yeah? And then you simply click confirm and JobCrypt will go away and create your employer dashboard. Again, if you want to track the progress of the transaction, you simply click your MetaMask and that'll tell you how far your transaction is going. You're just waiting for the pending to update. And there you go. Now your dashboard has been created on chain with JobCrypt. Yeah. Once you now have your dashboard on chain, the rest of the JobCrypt site will now, posting capability will now be activated, right? So these are all the 5 steps that you actually have to go to. So the first thing we have to do when we're posting a job is that we have to basically select the products that we want to use. Now, in this case, we would want to do, let's say, a 2-week listing. Yeah. So we have to create a draft posting. Now, when you create a draft posting, you're creating a contract on chain. That's very important. You are creating a real live contract on chain. So we simply click confirm, and that goes away and creates our job posting contract. That job posting contract is not live. So the thing is that it's not listed on JobCrypt, but it is available on chain. And of course, because we haven't put any data into it, it has no information. This activity, as we have put here, it incurs a gas fee. So the thing is that there's a little gas, usually about somewhere between 5 and 20 cents, depending on the time of day, that is incurred when you do it. And if you want to see the transaction, this is the transaction that has been triggered. You can check that on the Block Explorer. But now we have our posting. When we go down to select our draft job posting, we now have the address of our actual posting. And if you go onto the blockchain, you'll be able to access this specific address, right? Okay. In order to edit this specific address, we have to basically click edit, and that'll tell us that we are now editing this specific job posting address, right? So we're going to put in some test details. So this is a blockchain developer 1. Our location type is we are geo remote, so we want our stuff to be far away. We're not providing any paid relocation. The location is United Kingdom. So we're only looking for people in the United Kingdom. The company will be JobCrypt. And we're going to put in our company link. Right, we're going to put in our summary about the company. So we are JobCrypt, the best place in Web3 to find jobs in Web3. Right, the skills we're going to require. So we're going to require, let's say, some Solidity, Merkle tree understanding, EVM. And then in terms of the categories, we'll put in something like this is a developer role, engineering, a bit of design. In terms of the search terms, well, we're definitely looking at blockchain. Yes, Web3. So anybody who's looking for Web3, Solidity again. And then in terms of the work type, we're going to make that this is a full-time role. And in terms of the payment, we're going to be cryptocurrency because we are crypto native. We'll put in our description, this is an exciting Web3 developer role. Yes. Your descriptions can be longer and you do have the ability to format. So if, for example, we want that bold, we simply click bold and away you go. And then we're going to put in HR at jobcrypt.com. And then we're going to save our posting. Now, when we save our posting, that posting is going to be saved to the blockchain and to decentralized storage, right? So we incur a fee. For our blockchain save is where we incur a fee. Decentralized storage at this point in time, there are no fees associated with that. So that is basically posted over there, right? Okay. So we then wait. Again, we can track the progress of the transaction using our browser, and there you go. Our transaction is finished. We've been given the transaction ID. We've also been given the IPFS hash. So if we go to this IPFS address, we will be able to see some of the data that we have actually input into the address. And if we go to this IPFS address, we'll be able to see some of the additional data which we have put in to the into the job description. So this is our summary and this is our job description. Then we go to the next step, which is step number 4. And in step number 4, we're simply buying our job posting. Now, in terms of buying our job listing, it's similar to how we were transacting with cryptocurrency with respect to staking. So the first thing that we have to do, right, is we're going to first approve our cryptocurrency payment. All right. So our product is 600 JobCrypt Test USDC. Note it's USDC, not USDT. All right. We're going to view the full transaction to make sure the website is requesting exactly what it needs in order to work, right? So it's basically, this is the approved amount, this is the contract address that it is going to, and then we're going to run confirm, right? And then we're going to wait for this to come through. And then this makes sure that this is the currency we're using. All right, so you can check that, you can check that in your wallet. So the approval has come through for the spend. All right, and now we want to buy our listing. All right, to buy our listing, we simply click buy. All right, and what will happen is that JobCrypt will pull 650 JobCrypt Test USDC from our wallet. We have the gas fee as well. We simply click confirm. All right, okay. And then JobCrypt will go away. The blockchain will start working on its updates in terms of updating the process, right? And then there we go. We've paid. So now our posting is paid. Yeah, okay. And that's the transaction for the payment. All right. Once we have paid, we now are able to post. Now, when you're posting, you can, depending on whether you're gas tight or not, you can save the posting again if you've made any further changes. But if you haven't made any further changes, all you simply do is click post. Once again, same thing, all right? And then you click confirm, and away we go. JobCrypt will now go away and it will post the transaction. Yeah, okay. So now your transaction is posted. Yes, and so when we go to see JobCrypt, to the JobCrypt website, we go there straight away. Your job is now number 1 at the top, because the way JobCrypt works is that the latest jobs are always at the top. And so now you have posted your job on JobCrypt. A very simple, easy, and straightforward process for job posting.